Welcome, I am Daniel Terhune from Real Estate Advantage. Always remember, have a plan, go with Dan. This 2-story, brick northside home is looking for its next family to love it. It has a large wraparound porch that is waiting for you to enjoy summer evenings. With a living room, a family room, and a dining room on the first floor, you will have plenty of room to spread out. There is also a full bath with laundry on the first floor. There are 3 bedrooms, with a pass-through room that could be used as a bedroom, on the second floor as well as another full bath. The attic is accessed through a staircase and has lots of room for storage. The yard is nicely manicured, but it should be known that the tenants will be taking some of the plants with them. This home is tenant-occupied and has limited availability for showings. The tenants will let you in and be present for all showings. Showings are available from 3 o'clock to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday, 10 o'clock to 6 p.m. on Saturday, and no showings